This wooden pillar approximately 1,400 years old. On that time, the wooden pillar inside of the Kabatullah. In the base, the stone pillar, then the wooden pillar in showcase, then there is 3 steps. These tools standing for the soldier and the Hijra Aswad.
These were inside the Kaaba?
Not inside, outside of the Kaaba, they are standing for the soldier and the Hijra Aswad.
This is the first garden by
This is 65 Hijri, 1,400. This picture inside of the Kabatullah. Nowadays, inside of the Kabatullah, same like this. 3 wooden pillars inside of the Kabatullah. Ceiling is double. One is concrete ceiling, one is wooden ceiling. Outside color is black color, inside is green color. Right side is stairs. Rukn Yamani to Hijra Aswad, approximately 11.5 meters. Hijra Aswad to Hatim, 12.5 meters. Inside of the Hatim, 10.5 meters. Hatim to Rukn Yamani, 13.5 meters. Different size, sizes, not square.
the 3 pillars.
Yes, 3 pillars inside of the Kabatullah.
It meant for
A wooden man.
no, I mean what is the main support the thing?
5 years before, Saudi government renovated for the inside. This pillar is 65 Hijri, pillar of the Hazrat Abdullah bin Zubair.
The stay is to go to where?
These are different steps for the Haram Sharif. من عرفات المزلفات. This picture approximately is 200 years old. Yes, 200 years old. On that time, the boundary wall, inside of the boundary wall is the Madinatul Munawwara. Outside the boundary wall is the outside area of the Madinatul Munawwara. You see inside the name of the Sahaba Ikram green color. Begin Madinatul Munawwara, the Haram Sharif and the Qibla side. Haram Nawawi Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, the 27 tombs is sliding. They move without any sound. The minar of this tomb is gold made. You take some of my cards, if you need any services in Makkatul Mukarramah for the Ziyarat or transport or hotel accommodation. Inside of the tomb, they put it bed. The best wood in the world is teak wood. Import from the Morocco, molding and designing in Barcelona. This stone import from the Kenya. All golden with gold made. On Friday, the tomb is open. A lot of people pray under the shade. This tomb for the Makkatul Mukarramah, this is fixed tomb. Inside of the tomb is gold made. This is fixed. This don't move. They remove the carpet. No any carpets in Haram Sharif on the floor. But nowadays, the arrangement for the water cooler in pink cedar, the arrangement by the water tanks. This is for approximately 450 years old. This is 850 years old here by Qul Huwallahu Ahad in round shape. This is 450 years old, 650 years old. 650 years old. First time Quran Majid, this is a copy of this Quran. Before the period of Hazrat Usman, Quran is not available in the book shape.
This is the first one, yeah?